Hi, good evening everyone, to the Prime Investor. Sa wakas po, here, may payout. Although medyo maliit pa ng konti, pero this is the beginning. And thank you so much sa Prime Chief, CEO, Sir Daniel Joshua Valdenebro. Sir, maraming salamat po. Sana ito na po yung umpisa na medyo gumanda ang buhay, kasi ang dami kong dapat gagawin bilang solo parent, pero ang pinaka main target po sir is yung mapalitan yung bubong ko kasi tumutulo pag umuulan. So again, thank you so much sa Prime, and hopefully eh, it will long last. Thank you.